Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how we can perform the draft analysis on this model. The processes like forging, casting and injection molding, the draft analysis is a very crucial and very important analysis. So to perform the draft analysis, you will have to go in the analysis tab. Here in the analysis tab, you will find the draft analysis tool here. Just click on that. To select the whole body, you can just go and select the whole body by window selection. So this is how the body has been selected. If you want to change the direction of the draft analysis, here you can change the vector from here. Just click on the vector. If let's say I want to perform the draft analysis in this direction. So this is how the draft analysis has been performed. As this is the forging part and I want to have the draft analysis in the Z direction, so I'll just click on this Z direction. If you want to change the limit angles, so from here you can change the limit angles as per your requirement. If you want to set up the limit angles individually, so just uncheck this box and here you can change the limit angles individually. Let's click on OK. Now if you want to hide this analysis, what you can do, you can just right click and slide it upside. So this is how you can change or hide the draft analysis surfaces. That's it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.